Hello and welcome to another update video on Filecoin. Filecoin has been rejected from our resistance level here at $3.94. Yesterday in our member video update, I pointed out that we reached the ideal target for a three-wave move to the upside. For those of you who are not aware of, three waves, five waves, what does it all mean? What is he talking about? You don't need to understand Elliott wave necessarily. The labels tell the story and the levels, but it is about understanding that a three-wave pattern that we have so far from this low here on the 10th of October, it is not a bullish move as such. Of course, it can grind, the chart can grind higher. We can get possibly five waves, and the five-wave move is, let's say, a trending move. Because it's very simple. But many people don't understand that. Five waves is it just means it's a series, in this case, of higher highs and higher lows. You cannot get the same pattern with three waves. It's not possible. So we need five waves for an indication the trend is shifting to the upside. And I have shown here in orange how such a five-wave move would look like. The third wave should reach the 138% extension, in this case at $6.03. We're not there yet. The price reached the 100% extension, and that is for a corrective three-wave move, which is a counter-trend move, possibly in an active downtrend. It reached the ideal target for that C wave in a three-wave move, 394, the 100% extension. And if we now see a sharp decline that breaks below our micro support zone that needs to hold for upside trend continuation, maybe another low is coming. So the key question is now, do we have a sharp decline and a reaction to that 100% extension target? Yes, we do. Exactly, but exactly, perfectly, right? And that's a strong indication we might have a B wave price top. Now, $2.24 is micro support. If we break below it, it opens the door to a decline that will possibly go to new lows. Well, we could in the first instance test these swing lows from early November, here around $1.20, $1.30, but it would not be bullish. It would just be a three-wave move. It could below 224, it is likely not anymore developing into an impulse. Technically, we could still get five waves as long as the market holds above 224. But that it's topped and we have a sharp decline exactly from the 100% extension, it's concerning. Okay? I mean, it's not a surprise. I mean, in my member update earlier today, about Filecoin, I've wrote that this is not an overall bullish chart. Very, very important. Yeah, it is not an overall bullish chart. However, of course, we can track upside momentum as long as the market holds above 224. It was my words were, please note that the Filecoin chart is highly speculative, and I do not see this as an overall bullish chart. I mean, it's all the warning I can give, really. Why? Well, it's a lifetime downtrend, folks. Okay, so yeah, of course, a chart can always try to rally to new highs from all-time lows, but for clear parameters, we need five waves up. And I mean, we already have clear parameters. 224 is key support. So all eyes on that level. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. Sometimes there are updates that you won't find here on YouTube. Sometimes there are updates that are only there on X. And sometimes, you get additional chart updates of additional indicators, mindset stuff, and much more. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.